Change isn't a loss. It is your soul realigning to what you have become. When we lose a job, a relationship, or a certain phase in life, of course we are quick to label it as a loss, and that loss hurts. But the part that is hurting is the part that is attached to the familiar. From a soul perspective, it is inevitable because it's a graduation. As you finish certain experiences, close certain cycles, the soul evolves. It needs to move on to the next set of experiences. And to do that, sometimes a certain realignment, a certain reshuffling, a certain revaluation is required. So maybe we think of change from that perspective and look at it as a doorway to actually open up to what you are now going to move towards.